Want to share your X profile with your Instagram followers? Here's the quick and easy way to add your X link to Instagram. First, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap Edit Profile and look for the website field. This field is where you can paste any URL, including your X profile link. Copy your X link. It usually looks like https://x.com/ your username and paste it in the website field. Save changes, and your link will now appear on your profile. You can also add your X link to Instagram stories if you have the link sticker available. Just create a story, tap the sticker icon, select link, and paste your X URL. This way, your followers can tap directly from your story to visit your X profile. Most people get this wrong. They try putting it in the bio text itself, but Instagram only makes URLs clickable in the website field or via story links. Using the website field ensures everyone can tap and follow easily. In conclusion, adding your X link to Instagram is simple. Use the website field for your profile and link stickers for stories. This helps grow your social presence and makes cross-platform sharing seamless. Subscribe for more social media tips, tricks, and ways to grow your online presence efficiently.